Hello children, unfortunately we are once again meeting through our YouTube classes. Let's wish that this YouTube classes ends and our regular classes begins as early as possible. So children, let us continue the grammar part and exercise part of the lesson True Height. So children, all of you open your textbook, page number 68. Go through the textbook as I explain. Hold pencil also in your hand. See, look at your textbook children. Grammar, adjectives. As you all know, adjectives are the words which describes a noun. So, adjectives are what? They are describing words. They describe a noun. See here, read these sentences. I went on a long journey. Radha does not enjoy loud music. The word long describes the length or the time of journey and loud describes the music. Instead of saying I went on a journey that was long, we can say I went on a long journey. Next, instead of saying Radha does not enjoy music that is loud, we can say Radha does not enjoy loud music. The color adjectives usually come after the other adjectives. We don't usually put and between adjectives that come before nouns. So the color adjectives are used before the other adjectives and we will not put what and between the adjectives that come before the nouns. See here for example, she wore a beautiful green dress. So here beautiful also it is what adjective. Here green it is color adjective. So the color adjective is always used after the other adjective. Next, Neil lives in that tall white building. Okay, so the color adjective is always used with the is always used after the other adjective. So now there is an exercise children. Word order. Put the given adjectives in the proper order and write this story in your notebook. Add necessary punctuation marks. Students, you have to write this story in your notebook. Remember that. Begin like this. One fine day, a long time ago, a girl in the bracket what they have given little beautiful. Okay, so it should be like one fine day. Okay, once again children, one fine day a long time ago, a girl in the bracket they have given a little beautiful in a coat red was walking through a forest in the bracket dark with a bag in the bracket big of apples in the bracket red wonderful to see her grandmother old under a tree tall green. She saw a wolf in the bracket big bad with white long. Okay children, so this story how you have to write is you have to use the adjectives are given in the brackets and you have to rewrite this story in your notebook once again. See here children, one fine day a long time ago, a beautiful little girl in a red coat was walking through a dark forest with a big bag of wonderful red apples to see here, wonderful red. Okay, so the color adjectives are always used after the other adjectives. Wonderful red apples to see her old grandmother under a tall green tree. The color adjective is always used after the other adjective. Tall green tree. She saw a big bad wolf with long white teeth. So the color adjective white always it is used after the other adjective. Understood, children? Next, put the words in the correct order. Second one, okay children, correct order and continue the story. Good little girl, morning, said big the bad wolf, going you where are that with bag heavy, day this fine on, going to see my grandmother. Girl, the said little, lives small, she in house, and knew the supermarket near. Okay, you have to put these words in the correct order and you have to rewrite this story. Okay children, see here it will be like, good morning little girl, said the big bad wolf. Where are you going on this fine day? The little girl said, going to see my grandmother. She lives in a house near the new supermarket. So this is what writing the story in the correct order. Next, put adjectives from the box to complete the story. So in the next page there is a story. So you have to put these adjectives which are given in the box in the blank there. See which are the adjectives: new, friendly, stupid, little, red, dark. Okay children? Okay, said the wolf in a friendly voice, but thought, I will eat her up on her way back. The little girl was not stupid. She thought, I will not walk back through this dark forest at all. I will drive back with my uncle in his new red car. Okay children? Understood? So next we will study about comparatives and superlatives. So the adjectives of quality are the adjectives of quality have 3 degrees of comparison, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. See, look into this sentence children. Shreyas is older than Amog. Shreyas is the oldest of all his brothers. Okay, so notice that we use comparatives plus er for one syllable adjective and more for longer syllable adjectives. We use superlative est for one syllable adjectives and most for longer adjectives. We use comparatives to compare people and things with other people and things. So the comparatives are used to compare what? People or things with other people and things. And superlatives with the. So we always use the with the superlatives to compare people and things with all of the group that they are in. So it is used to compare what? It is used to compare with the all of the group that they are in. See here, listen here children. So we will use what? ER and EST. Okay. So now take for example positive, comparative and superlative. Okay children? So long long. It is a one syllable word. So how you will identify syllable, children? So by the vowel sound. See here, long. Okay, here O, it is a oval, long. Okay, so it is a one syllable word. So to make a comparative and superlative, so to make a comparative you will add what? Er, and to make a superlative you will add est. Okay, next, tall. Okay, tall, here this is also what? One syllabled word. So tall, taller, tallest. Okay, next, big. So here I also big. Okay, here it is what? One syllabled word. So we will identify syllables by the vowel sound. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay, for one syllable word and some words with more than one syllable we will add er to make a comparative and est to make a superlative. But whereas the words, the adjectives which have more than one syllable, two or more than two syllable words, they will add more for comparative and most for superlative. See here, for example, beautiful. Okay, beautiful. So how many syllabled word it is? See here, it is a three syllabled word. Beautiful. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. It is three syllabled word. So the adjectives with more than two or more, two, some two and more than two syllabled word, so they add what? More for comparative, more beautiful and most beautiful. Okay, next, intelligent. Okay, here how many syllabled word it is, children? Here, intelligent. Okay, it is what? Four syllabled word. So for this also what we will use? We will use what? More intelligent and most intelligent. Okay, most intelligent. Sorry, children. So understood, children? So the words with one and some with more than one adjectives add er to make a comparative and est to form superlative, and the adjectives with more than two syllabled word they add what? More to form comparative degree and most to form what? Superlative degree. So next, let us solve this exercise. Insert a comparative or a superlative. My new car is dash than my old car. My new car is faster than my old car. My mother and her sisters are all shorter than their children. Okay, mother and sisters are compared to their children, so comparative. Okay, er, shorter than their children. Next, I think Aarti is dash person in our class, in the bracket intelligent. So in our class, so here it is what? Group that they are in. Okay, it is we have to use what? Superlative here. I think Aarti is, with the superlative always you will use what? The. I think Aarti is the most intelligent person in our class. Next, let's meet in the library. It's quieter than all the other rooms. Okay, next, my bedroom is a dash room in the house. Cold. My bedroom is the coldest room in the house. So next, children, compare each pair of things in the box. Write two sentences for each pair. The adjectives are given to help you. The sun and the moon, the dogs and cats, the Sahara and the Thar deserts, train travel and air travel. So the adjectives given are bright, cold, friendly, hot, cheap, intelligent, small, fast. So they have given also example, children. The sun is brighter than the moon. The moon is smaller than the sun. So like this you have to compare each pair of things which are given in the brackets with the help of the given adjectives. So the dogs and cats. The dogs are more friendly than the cats. The cats are less friendly than the dogs. The Sahara desert is hotter than the Thar desert. The Thar desert is smaller than the Sahara desert. The train travel is cheaper than the air travel. The air travel is faster than the train travel. So I hope you have understood this, children. Next we will go for use of as. See, read these sentences. Sana is as tall as Satvik. Hyderabad is as hot as Chennai in summer. So we use as to compare two people or things. So we use what? As to compare two people or things. See here, use the clues and make sentences with as. Nayana shy Srujan. Nayana is not as shy as Srujan. Next, B1. Her feet hold ice. Her feet are as cold as ice. Next, Anudeep intelligent Anurag. So Anudeep is as intelligent as Anurag. So I hope you have understood this, children. Let's continue in our next class. Thank you.